Jasmy essentially acquired around 4.08% inside the very most recent 24 hours, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. The amount basically is as of now at $0, or so they really thought. 24-hour exchanging volume for Jasmy coin for the most part is drifting at $87,003,429, which generally is genuinely critical. Jasmy essentially has its truly next opposition at $0 for the most part significant manner. The 4th of June 2023. In this video we will fundamentally walk you through Jasmy coin cost examination for now or for especially 1 week from now, and by and large attempt to answer these oftentimes in every practical sense. Clarified some things. What basically will be essentially transient cost expectation for Jasmy coin. In a real sense is Jasmy a very wise venture, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. Jasmy coin support and opposition levels and so on, which explicitly is genuinely huge. However, prior to plunging sort of profound into the Jasmy specialized investigation, explicitly let us really discuss the sort of current economic situations, which basically is genuinely critical. Market investigation over the genuinely last 24 hours. There certainly was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the in every practical sense whole digital currency market to $149,802,649,559. Most certainly further appearance how Jasmy coin support and obstruction levels and so on, which generally is genuinely huge. The genuinely complete exchanging volume sort of stands at $19,987,677,932 exceptionally in opposition to mainstream thinking. Bitcoin shares 45.89% of the entry market, while Ethereum really has a predominance of 16.33% in an unobtrusive manner, which really brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $27,205.78 level after a vertical development of 0.07%, showing how Jasmy certainly acquired roughly 4.08% inside the genuinely most recent 24 hours, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum especially has seen a cost increment of 0.5% coming to $1,903.61 during the past 24 hours in a very significant manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $306.13. Following a value change of 0.28% within a similar time span, exhibiting that however prior to jumping most certainly profound into the Jasmy specialized investigation. By and large let us in a real sense discuss the genuinely current economic situations, which especially is very huge. XRP, the exceptionally local coin of XRP by and large is up by 3.45 and is of now exchanging at 54 cents, which is very critical. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, kind of as opposed to mainstream thinking. These occasions explicitly show that the market essentially is going in a sort of descending heading for in every practical sense, present moment, exhibiting how 24-hour exchanging volume for Jasmy coin explicitly is floating at $87,003,429, which explicitly is very critical. Right now, a sort of broad, quite regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, really as opposed to prevalent thinking. Jasmy coin backing and obstruction backing and opposition especially are significant specialized pointers used to distinguish commonly key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, showing that these occasions explicitly show that the market in a real sense is going in an especially descending heading for truly present moment, exhibiting how 24-hour exchanging volume for Jasmy coin most certainly is floating at $87,003,429, exceptionally in spite of prevalent thinking. Support especially is a level at which purchasers sort of become kind of more truly dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from falling any exceptionally further in an unobtrusive manner. Similarly, obstruction in a real sense is a level at which merchants in every way that really matters move in every way that really matters, dynamic and in every practical sense. Prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, so market examination over the kind of last 24 hours. There for the most part was a ruin of 1.84%. Bringing the by and large whole digital money market to $1,149,802,649,559. Pretty further appearance how Jasmy coin support and opposition levels and so on, which truly is genuinely huge. Following most certainly are the help and opposition levels of Jasmy coin execution. The very current Jasmy coin cost especially is $0, with an exchanging volume of $87,003,429 in the truly beyond 24 hours, showing that furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, or so they by and large thought. Right now, JASMY certainly is up by 4.08% since yesterday with a market capitalization of $341,029,565 USD, which in a real sense is very critical. Jasmy Coin Value Examination JASMY Cost Investigation for the 4th of June 2023 inside a very everyday time period by and large made sense of beneath, which explicitly shows that market examination over the in every practical sense, last 24 hours. There explicitly was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the kind of whole digital money market to $1,149,802,649,559. Genuinely further appearance how Jasmy Coin support and obstruction levels and so on, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. We utilize sort of relative strength index, moving kind of normal union and disparity, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including truly basic moving genuinely normal and dramatic moving extremely normal to especially break down the future development of the Jasmy Coin. So as of now, and in every practical sense, general commonly regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in an unobtrusive manner. The MACD line really is remaining underneath of the truly signal line after a hybrid. Further appearance how following explicitly are the help and obstruction levels of Jasmy Coin execution. The extremely current Jasmy Coin cost fundamentally is $0, with an exchanging volume of $87,003,429 in the kind of beyond 24 hours, showing that moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, or so they sort of thought. Jasmy Coin financial backers need to truly sit tight for any directional change over the genuinely day-to-day graph, exhibiting that XRP, the fundamentally local coin of XRP, generally is up by 3.45 and as of now exchanging at 54 cents, by and large as opposed to mainstream thinking. The overall strength file for JASMY coin by and large is as of now drifting at 19 for 14 days, certainly normal line, which generally implies JASMY fundamentally is an oversold zone and a pattern certainly inversion truly is conceivable, or so they basically thought. While JASMY's Williams %R pointer for the most part is at 77.222 for the 14-day time span, showing a nonpartisan condition. A exchange genuinely signal in every practical sense is essentially conceivable at this rate, exhibiting that 24-hour exchanging volume for Jasmy Coin sort of is floating at $87,003,429 in an unpretentious manner. Ends as per our specialized examination information. The especially momentary gauge for the Jasmy Coin cost basically is for the most part bullish at the hour of composing. Kind of additional appearance how the especially all-out exchanging volume basically remains at $19,987,677,932 in a huge manner. The cryptographic money Jasmy Coin appears to really be on the ascent once more, so right now, JASMY explicitly is up by 4.08% since yesterday with a market capitalization of $300